Hello everyone, welcome to this Python learning course, Basics to Advanced Level, chapter number 1, which means that we will start right from the basics and we will jump to the advanced level step by step. The whole course will be divided into the different chapters and which will be uploaded step by step, and this is the chapter number 1. And let's just go ahead and see what we will discuss and learn in this chapter. In this chapter we will see that what are if conditions, loops in Python, and variables. What does this mean? That we will implement and understand that what are the if else conditions and why we use it, and why we use them in our programming languages, and why if else conditions are so important in our logic building. Then moving ahead towards loops, we will see that how we can code our loops and what is the importance of those loops in our programming language, whether it is Python, Java, C++, or any other programming language that we use in order to create any kind of program. We will understand that how we can code those loops in our Python language, and after that we will discuss that what are the variables. We will understand the concept behind the variables and why we use those variables, and what is the benefit of using those variables in our programming language. And in the end we will discuss that how we can code those variables in our Python programming language. And if you want to follow me, these are my social media credentials, and if you have any kind of question or query, any kind of question, you can just go ahead and type your questions, and you can post those questions on my Facebook or Instagram or in the comment section of my YouTube channel. So let's go ahead and dive into this Python learning course.